I'm Lance Olson. I am the Director of Program Management on our Applied AI team here at Microsoft. And I'm excited to be able to talk with Shobhana from Automation Anywhere about how we've done work together on AI.
Hi Lance, it's great to have you. Can you tell me a little bit about your journey and how you got interested in cloud and AI within Microsoft?
I've been at Microsoft for 22 years. About 7 years ago, I started working on our big data assets inside of Azure. I owned our HD Insight service. And I saw customers using data at scale to train models and start to do machine learning. And that really got me more interested in the machine learning space, which caused me maybe 4 years ago to move over into the AI side. I first got introduced to Automation Anywhere at an M12 event down in Silicon Valley earlier this year. I met with, we were down there to talk about a number of investments that we're making in AI, and some people from your team were there, and we were able to talk about the great work that you're doing, and it seemed like a great opportunity for us.
So we're excited to be working with you on our roadmap with Azure AI. We already have several integrations. Today, for example, you can run an automation from Excel, which is another Microsoft product, but we'd be excited to work on future products with you.
Yeah, likewise. It's really important to us to be able to partner with folks like Automation Anywhere, because it enables us to take these technologies but then deliver them in a way that is relevant to the end customer that you serve.
I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our recent integration with the Azure services, specifically our IQBot integration with handwriting recognition within containers. Could you tell us a little bit about what that means to our customers?
Many customers that we work with may work in regulated industries or have cases where the ability to control where their data is incredibly important to them. So being able to do things like handwritten recognition inside of a container gives them that control. They can run that service wherever they need to, whether it be on premises or in the cloud or somewhere else in between on the edge. So if I'm a line of business owner today and I have all kinds of forms or documents that I need to process, it's actually a challenge for me to get that data in, especially if I'm in a regulated environment where I can't easily call remote services. What this partnership between Microsoft and Automation Anywhere enables is that I can now have a solution that enables me to effectively create a process which ingests those documents, recognizes what's on them, and then turns it into a digital form that I can then process.
As customers move to the cloud, this benefit will still remain if they choose to, right?
Yeah, it's actually one of the things that's critical to us in the design is that they get a consistent experience regardless of where they run. So the containers that we give out to run on the edge are actually the same containers that we run in the cloud.
And can you give us a little bit of background on what other services people can run within containers?
We're working to make as many of the cognitive services as possible available in containers. Today that includes things like speech, language understanding through text analytics, anomaly detection, really speech, language, and computer vision. AI is a critical ingredient in the RPA scenario because it enables us to use machine learning to do things that previously were not possible to be automated.
What gets you excited when you come to work every day?
Well, I think it's a combination of working with great people, but then also solving these problems that were previously not solvable. Every month we have breakthroughs in machine learning that actually fundamentally allow us to change what we thought was possible and what our customers thought was possible, and enable really new use cases and new scenarios and new efficiencies in the things that we already have.
Lance, it's been wonderful chatting with you. Thank you.